Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing great. Examination department started doing the evaluation of your summer internship which you have done. So they have scheduled the Viva already of some students. Other students Viva will be scheduled gradually in the coming weeks. Before your Viva is being conducted, some another documents and information is required from your end. So I will quickly describe you what are those documents, but all these documents are required for your evaluation purpose. So make sure you upload it over here. First couple of details are journal, your email ID, registration number. Make sure you fill correct registration number because we can trace by that only. Your contact number, your name of company, sector, and the area of your internship. Obviously, I believe that the report which you have made is in align with the area of your internship, in which area you have done the internship. Just restating the point. After that, if you have any stipend, you can say yes. If you have no, then you can say no. If you have received the stipend, you need to mention the amount of stipend which you have received over here. Then last 3 points are very again crucial. First is title of your summer internship report, which you have already uploaded on UMS. Then internship completion certificate. This certificate you have put it in your report also. This certificate you save it in a different folder with the name example which we have given it to you. You save it in different folder, then upload it. I just restate one point. If you upload any wrong document, it will not allow you to upload it again. So please make sure that while uploading the document, you check it twice, thrice at least before uploading it, right? So one thing which is required is completion certificate which says that you have completed your summer internship in this June, July. And last is industry feedback form. If you remember during the when I have given you the handbook, in that handbook I have given you one industry feedback form also, which you were supposed to get it filled from industry personnel. In this form you were supposed to take the marks from the industry people and then get this form stamped and signed by the industry person, right? I hope all of you are having this form with you. If anyone has not arranged it, then it is high time that you get it before this Saturday only. If your place of internship was separate and now you are in university, you can ask your industry mentor, after signing and putting the stamp on a form, scan it and send it to you on email, and then the same copy you can upload it over here. Once you upload this copy over here, you can submit this form. Keep that industry feedback form copy with you, because during your Viva invigilator will ask you to show this form again, because they will punch these marks on UMS. I repeat, whatever the marks given by the industry person in the form, Viva invigilator will check that form and upload it the marks on UMS only. Industry feedback form must be signed and stamped by the company official, which was communicated earlier also many times, right? If you are not having the link due to any reason, I will put the handbook link again in the description of the video, right? In which industry feedback form is there. Get it filled. If you already have, save it with the correct name and upload it on this form before Saturday. Thank you everyone. All the best.